Well, good afternoon, YouTube. Here's the new e-bike setup. New battery on the back. It's mounted on there with mounting tape. It's pretty solid. It ain't going nowhere. It's not even wobbling at all. So I'm gonna go for a ride right now. Bike's 5 pounds lighter, but backpack's 5 pounds heavier because all my tools are in my backpack now. I can definitely feel it. My tailbone's definitely gonna feel it. Oh, shoot. Okay, well, this is a brand new battery, and it only charged at 53.4 volts. Usually it should be over 54 volts. So, and the green light was on the charger. If I got a defective battery, I'm gonna be pissed. Let's go try this thing out, guys. Oh yeah, that's accelerating like a new battery. Well, it's currently November 1st, 2025. I think it's Saturday. I don't know. It's like, what time is it? Getting close to 5 in the afternoon. It's about 85 degrees out here. I'm not sure how far I'm going. I'm just kind of testing the new battery out, and I want to make sure it's stable on the back. It's not going to pop off of there on me. Cool, I got here and the light's about to change. So remember, it would be super duper awesome if you could like, subscribe, comment, share. Subscribers, thanks for hanging in there, new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Random viewers, consider subscribing. I've got over 3,500 videos on my channel for your entertainment pleasure. Don't forget to check out my links in the description. I have a few e-bike brands down there. I've got DevStech diagnostic tools. I've got Insta360 action cameras and accessories. Get yourself some money with my discounts, and you'll help me out because I get a little bit of a referral kickback. Okay, that didn't sound good. This damn battery sounds like it's rattling around back here. I can't reach it Oh, it came loose. Shit, it came loose. Fuck, I just turned the corner here. Guess that answers that question. Oops, I'm going home. Uh-oh. Yeah, it totally came loose. Fuck. Yeah, I gotta go home. Shit. That's not gonna work. Fuck. It totally came loose on there. So I gotta go home and very carefully get home with this and zip tie it. Shit. Go ahead. I get it. I can't go anywhere. Go ahead. I'm having a bike malfunction. Oh. I'm sorry. It's my fault. God damn it. I'm retarded. I just told that guy to go and it wasn't even his turn. Please don't come off. Fuck. Okay, well, that was short-lived. I gotta go. Shit. I'm sorry. Fuck. I didn't even see that guy coming. Fuck. Well, the battery works. I just gotta go home now. Damn it. I just gotta be very careful on the street because the bumps are really bad. So I gotta figure out how to get this battery to stay on here. Maybe with some of my heavy duty zip ties or some bungee cords or something, I don't know. Oh my God, I just almost caused an accident twice. Shit. Damn, I should have gone slower. I could have lost my new battery already. It would have dangled, it would have like pulled off, flopped off and yanked my connection apart. I mean, I got my connection, no, that one connection is not zip tied together. Oops. Dang it. I don't know how I'm going to keep this battery on here now. I might have to switch out my middle triangle battery and put the new battery on the frame. I guess that's what I'm going to have to do. I shouldn't have to disconnect the power cable from the new old battery on my middle controller. I just got to pick everything up and move it back because there's plenty of slack in the cables coming out of it. So that sucks. I'm starting to wonder maybe if the tape didn't cure properly because of the it got to like 90 degrees today. So that means my garage probably got close to 100, and it may have not like stuck together properly. So I'm not going to mess with it today. I wasn't feeling great before I started my test ride, so I'm not really feeling much better now that I stressed out, almost killed my battery on myself twice at that intersection. I mean, the battery's working really good. I'm just using the rear motor right now to accelerate and everything. I can't fucking see behind me because of this damn sunlight. I gotta make him a U-turn here. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Alright, I think I can go now. The bike definitely feels like it's running smoother with the new battery on here. Shoot. Dang it, I gotta redo this whole thing now. I mean, I might be able to zip tie it down to the frame or the rack in the back. I don't know. The mount. I mean, I'll have to zip tie the whole battery. My chest is starting to bother the crap out of me right now. So I'm going to go in and just plug this back in and go for work on it tomorrow morning. Yeah, be careful getting off, not to tilt the bike too much. Dang it, that sucks, man. It like popped right off of there on a bump. Alright, well, that sucks. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. So I get a little out of sorts and my anxiety disorder just like goes full-blown panic attack on me. That's what happened at that intersection right now when I was trying to turn around. My brain started freaking out. Damn it. So, yeah. I have to figure this thing out somehow. I may end up having to, because that'll fit in my battery bag. I may have to just take the mount, take the connection for the battery off of the mount, like the little 4 bars on it, pop it out of there because it'll come out, and then just put the battery in the bag and do it that way. But I got to figure out what I do with my bag now. I put it somewhere when I got done working this morning on my bike. Well, that sucked, guys. I was really looking forward to going for a ride there. But other than that popping off the rack, the battery seems to be working pretty good. Dang it. My backpack, I need to reorganize the stuff in it because I put the tools in there. Something's digging into my bag. Alright guys, well that was that attempt. So remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I will get this sorted out by tomorrow. Oh, there's my battery bag. Okay, good. Okay guys, bye.